So then, of course, the next logical question is, how do I know that I actually use the tensor cores? And I have a real quick, I apologize, I'm not in the PyTorch section yet, but this is a quick 6-line PyTorch snippet. I'm setting a batch size, the input size, and the output size. I picked power of 2s, but again, it just has to be a multiple of 8. I create a tensor, I convert it to half, I create a layer, just a fully connected layer, convert it to half, and then I run that tensor. And the real trick is that I'm running this code snippet with nvprof, so I just run nvprof, which is our profiler, right on top of Python, and then say I named this test.py. And then nvprof will tell you every single GPU operation, every single kernel that was ever executed, and it'll report all these kernels, and it'll report the name. The trick for knowing that tensor cores was used was look for this 884. So 884 is basically the internal code name for our kernels that we use that imply that that tensor core operation was actually utilized. You'll also see some FP16s. The FP16 means that the input to this kernel was FP16, the output to this kernel was FP16, and then that it used tensor cores. This is a gem example, but you will find those 884s also for convolutions. So if you want to know that tensor cores were used, this is the little trick to it that you want to be focused on. Throw it through the profiler, look for the 884.